Hello, today we will guide you through how to share and download files in Adobe Creative Cloud. In this walkthrough, we'll use the Adobe website to quickly share a file stored in your Creative Cloud account and set the right access so collaborators can view or edit as needed. Make sure you're signed into your Adobe account and that the file you want to share is already saved in Creative Cloud. Start by opening the Adobe homepage in your browser. Once you're in, look for the Files area. This takes you to your Creative Cloud files and folders. If you have a lot of projects, use search or browse your folders to find the exact item you want to share. Give yourself a moment to confirm you've selected the correct file or folder, especially if you maintain multiple versions. Move your mouse over the file. When you hover, you'll see quick actions appear without opening the file. Find the three-dot icon, often labeled More Options, and click it. In the menu that opens, choose Share. This opens a panel where you control who gets access and what they can do. In the sharing panel, type the recipient's email address. Double-check spelling to avoid sending access to the wrong person. Below the email field, review the permission setting. By default, it may be set to Can Edit. Click this to switch between Can Edit and Can View depending on your goal. Choose Can Edit when you want the person to make changes or upload versions. Choose Can View if you only want them to review or download without modifying anything. Setting the right permission at this stage helps you avoid rework later. When everything looks correct, select Sect, invite to send the access directly to their inbox. The recipient will get a notification with a link to your file. If you prefer to share in a chat or project tracker, you can choose Copy Link instead. This copies a shareable link to your clipboard so you can paste it wherever your team communicates. Keep in mind that the link respects the permission you selected, so pick the level that matches your intent. If teammates need to download the file, they'll be able to do so when they open the shared link, provided their permission and the file type allow it. As a best practice, let collaborators know which version is current and whether you expect edits or just a quick review. That's it. You've navigated to your files, opened the share options, set the right permission, and invited others or copied a link for easy sharing.